Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our press review East Africa for the months of March and April. Here the summary.
Lapaire Kenya highlights the topics of vision loss and age-related macular degeneration in their discourse on K24TV and KBC TV. Lapaire focuses on the prevalence of visual impairment in the elderly population. Specifically, the reasons underlying the onset of age-related macular degeneration are examined with emphasis on preventative measures, diagnostic methods, and treatment options.
The reason we are actually highlighting what we are calling age-related macular degeneration is because vision loss is something that we all tend to perhaps experience or will be experiencing as we get older. And so we are asking what more we can do also for our seniors this morning, what we need to keep aware about to start practicing today so that we can be seeing longer and even have healthy sight even as we turn a year older, right?
Lapaire eye experts dissects low vision and age-related macular degeneration.
While many eye care organizations are still reluctant in stepping up to create awareness and educate about low vision and AMD this month, Jacqueline Babonarawo, an ophthalmic clinical officer, OCO, at Lapaire, Uganda, elaborates more on how vision loss affects other areas of life. Babonarawo says that vision loss can have an influence on one's physical health by increasing the risk of falling and their quality of life, as well as their mental health.
Lapaire improves the life of Wycliffe, a 15-year-old young man with vision problems.
Our objective remains the same, which is to get closer to the people and to be at the service of the well-being of all, says Lapaire on their LinkedIn page. Wycliffe's eyes were irritated by light and dust because of his myopia as a child. Thus, since his young age, he has been wearing sunglasses purchased on the street, rather than prescription glasses, which has exacerbated his condition. Wycliffe finally receives his first pair of glasses as a courtesy of Lapaire Uganda, following an alarming tweet from a journalist blogger the week before.
Lapaire recounts 5 years of its existence in Africa.
Professionals from all walks of life graced the occasion, including medics, eye care specialists, brand ambassadors, as well as members of the media graced the occasion. Rosaline Kalonzo, the East Africa regional manager at Lapaire, attributed the success of the brand to the loyal customers that have over the years inspired the team to keep creating unique, quality, and affordable products. Looking back 5 years ago, I am proud of how far we have come as a team. I am proud to say that we have impacted the world, and we have now grown to 50 optical shops across Africa with over 350 employees and have carried out over 200,000 vision tests, she said with a smile.
The Lapaire news transcends beyond the African borders.
The Lapaire 5 years anniversary event caught the eyes of many international media outlets. On his LinkedIn page, Oliver Mwanko, the East Africa Public Relations and Communications Officer at Lapaire, commented, "It was my privilege to spearhead and preside over Lapaire's prestigious 5-year dinner and discussion panel on the 25th of March, 2023. The press conference garnered significant media coverage, including the attention of North American-based international media outlets, such as AB Newswire, Digital Journal, and many others."
Lapaire partners with ICEA LION General Insurance to expand services to everyone in Uganda.
The non-coverage of optical care by insurance companies has been listed as one of many reasons why eye care in Africa tends to be expensive and inaccessible to over 85% population in the sub-Saharan region. In light of this, the Pan-African optician Lapaire has partnered with ICEA LION General Insurance to expand its services to everyone with ICEA LION medical insurance cover. The aim of this partnership is to allow Ugandans who benefit from this medical insurance to have an opportunity to access Lapaire's affordable services and products across the country without breaking the bank.
Jacqueline Babonarawo, an eye specialist at Lapaire Uganda, together with Rosaline Kalonzo, regional manager Lapaire East Africa, were invited to partake in a discussion about visual deficits and rehabilitation on NTV Uganda breakfast show.
Closer to the people.
We currently have 10 branches spread out across the country. In Uganda, yes, specifically in Uganda, with 8 in Kampala, and then 1 in Jinja, 1 in Mbarara. Our goal eventually is that no one has to go for more than 30 minutes without accessing quality eye care services. So that's what we are working on right now, trying to get closer to the people, educating them on eye care, and being there, ready to welcome them when they walk into our stores, ready to get their eye test.
Lapaire among platinum sponsors of the Tujende Mu Chikade event, happening in Mbarara on May 13th.
Lapaire is a Pan-African eyewear brand. We make spectacles, eyeglasses, and we have a vision, which is we believe that everyone has the right to see well. And our mission is quite simple: to make eye care accessible and affordable to everyone. In Mbarara, we are going to organize an event, a CSR event, to give back to the community. That will be 2 days right before the main event. We are going to give out some goodies and also offer free eye test and some packages of glasses to the elderly people in Mbarara region. Lapaire is present in about 7 countries in Africa, and in Uganda we have over 10 branches. In Mbarara, in Jinja, and 8 of them in Kampala. I thank you very much for coming, and we're gonna have a blast.
Lapaire, clear sight for everyone.